All right. Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. You know we love to really dig in. And today we're talking crypto. Specifically,
XRP.
you got it, XRP. Now, we've gotten a lot of questions about it recently. And, listeners,
He's hot.
it's hot. They want to know what's driving the price. Could it really hit,
That dollar mark.
that dollar mark? Yeah. Will it finally happen? To break it all down, look at some predictions.
From Future Trends Capital, even.
Exactly, those guys. And just to add to the mix, we'll look at Bitcoin and Ethereum.
The big players.
The big players, yeah. See how they might play into XRP's future. It's going to be good.
Absolutely.
So one of the sources we've been digging through mentions that XRP is at a pivotal juncture right now.
What does that even mean?
Yeah, what does that even mean?
Yeah.
Makes it sound
Like a crossroads.
like a crossroads, yeah. Why is now so important for XRP?
Well, they're talking about these resistance levels. It's kind of like, imagine a ceiling for the price. And XRP, historically, it's had trouble breaking through certain prices. So right now, it's kind of hanging out around 50 cents.
Yeah, 50 cents, right?
But the next big resistance level, it's up around 65 cents.
Okay, so it's got to push through.
Push through that to really take off.
To see some real growth.
Right.
And it's not just about hitting that number. There needs to be a lot of buying behind it.
Volume, yeah.
Volume, exactly.
So, okay, if we see XRP burst through that 65-cent resistance, that's like
a big green light.
a big green light, yeah. Saying, okay,
The bulls are here.
bulls are here,
Momentum's building.
more people might jump in.
Exactly. It changes the whole sentiment, right?
Mm-hmm.
Could be the start of a really nice upward trend. And this is where it gets interesting, because Future Trends Capital, they're predicting XRP could hit
Wait, how much?
$5 by late 2025.
$5. Now, that's a spicy prediction. What's backing that up? Why are they so bullish?
Well, they're looking at a few things. One is the adoption, like how many people are actually using XRP in the real world.
In the real world, right. And we're seeing more and more of that, especially with cross-border payments. I mean, MoneyGram, they're already using it.
Yeah, MoneyGram, big name.
Big name, right. They're using it for international transfers. Makes sense. The technology's faster. It's cheaper than the old ways of doing things.
Oh yeah, banks could learn a thing or two.
Right. And as more institutions get on board, that demand for XRP, well,
It's only going up.
it's got to go up, right?
Okay, so that's adoption. What else is Future Trends looking at?
They're really hoping for some regulatory clarity.
Yeah, that's the big question mark.
Big question mark, right? Is it a security? Is it a currency? Nobody seems to know for sure.
The SEC?
The SEC, everybody's waiting to see what they say.
Yeah.
A clear framework that would do wonders for investor confidence, bring in more of those big institutions.
Absolutely, institutions love that.
Stability.
Stability, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, we got to talk about the elephants in the room. Our sources are saying that Bitcoin
And Ethereum.
and Ethereum forecasts are, well,
Pretty rosy.
looking pretty good. How does that impact XRP?
Think of crypto like an ocean, okay? Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're like the tide.
Okay, I like that analogy.
They move, everything else moves with them.
Makes sense.
So if they surge, you often see a ripple effect, right? Sentiment, it gets all positive, and altcoins like XRP, they get lifted up too.
But the opposite is true too, right? If Bitcoin and Ethereum tank,
The whole ocean feels it.
everyone's going down.
Yeah, it's a bit of a roller coaster sometimes.
So XRP is kind of tied to those big players,
Yeah.
at least to a certain extent. But it seems like it's carving its own path too,
With the payments thing.
with the payments, yeah. It's interesting. What do you think, listener? What's grabbing your attention when it comes to XRP? Is it that tech? Is it the market trends? Or something else entirely? Let us know. Okay, let's recap what we've talked about today.
Yeah.
XRP, it's at a crucial point right now. To really soar, it needs to smash through those price ceilings, those resistance levels.
Needs the volume, gotta have the volume.
Gotta have the volume, exactly. And Future Trends Capital, they're betting big on it, predicting $5 by late 2025.
Ambitious.
Very ambitious. And their reasoning,
Well, they're looking at wider adoption.
more companies using it.
More companies using it, yeah. And of course, that regulatory clarity that everyone's waiting for. And let's not forget the big guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they'll definitely have a say in how this all plays out.
Absolutely. Always good to keep an eye on the whole market.
The whole ecosystem.
The whole ecosystem, yeah.
Absolutely.
Any final thoughts?
Yeah, I would just say, crypto is exciting. There's so much potential,
volatility
opportunity, but you gotta look beyond just the price predictions. Dig a little deeper. What problems does XRP solve? What's it actually used for in the real world? Those are the questions that really matter.
Great advice. Always got to look under the hood. Well, thank you for joining us on this XRP deep dive. We'll catch you next time.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.